Example to find the adjoint of a matrix here. Suppose A equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 6, minus 7. So how to find out the adjoint of A here? So adjoint of A is, first we have to find out all the cofactors of elements. So the cofactor of 1, cofactor of 0, cofactor of minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 6, minus 7. First we have to find out all the cofactors of the elements. So to find out the cofactors, first I write 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 6, minus 7. So we have to take alternative signs here because the alternative sign will be of the elements is in this manner. So multiply, to find out the cofactor of 1, multiplied by 1, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now to find out the cofactor of the 1, delete this column and row, remaining elements 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7. Find the determinant of this one. 4 into minus 7 is minus 28, minus 6 into 5 is minus 30, minus of minus plus 30, that is equal to 2. Now cofactor of 0. Delete this row and column. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21, minus 0 into 5 is 0, minus of minus plus 21. Cofactor of minus 1. Minus 6 into 3, minus 18, minus 0 into 4 is 0, plus into minus, minus 18. Next cofactor of 3. Minus 7, delete this column and row. Minus 7 into 0, 0, minus 6 into minus 1, 6, minus of minus plus 6. Next cofactor of 4. Column and row will be neglected. Minus 7 into 1, minus 7, minus, deleted this row and column. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 7. Now cofactor of 5. Cofactor of 5. Delete this column and row. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6, 0 into 0, 0. Minus of minus plus 6. Next 0. Cofactor of 0. So cofactor of 0. Delete this column and row. 5 into 0, 0, minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, minus of minus plus 4. Next minus 6, delete this column and row. 5 into 1, 5, minus 3. 5 minus of minus plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. Next cofactor of minus 7, delete this row and column. 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into 0, 0. Plus into plus 4 is plus 4. Now we have to take all the cofactors in the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to cofactor of 1, 0, minus 7, minus 1 will be written in the first column. Cofactor of 1 is 2. Cofactor of, so first write adjoint of A. First write on the first cofactors of 1, 0, minus 1. Cofactors of first row will be written in the first column. So cofactor of 1 is 2. Cofactor of 0 is 21. Cofactor of minus 1 is minus 18. Cofactor of first row elements will be written in the first column. Cofactors of second row elements will be written in the second column. That is 6, minus 7, 6. 4, minus 8, 4. That is our adjoint of A. Using the adjoint of A, we can also find out the inverse of A. That is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So already we have found the adjoint of A. And now the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to, we know the procedure of finding the determinant of A. Plus 1 into bracket minus 28 plus 30. 0 into something is 0 always, plus minus 1 into, delete this row and column, minus 6 into 3 minus 18 minus 0. So plus 2 minus 18 minus 0, minus 18 minus of minus plus 18, 18 plus 2 equal to 20. So that is determinant of A. Now the inverse of A is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 2, 21 minus 18, 6 minus 7, 6, 4 minus 8, 4. That is inverse of A. So these are the procedures also you have simplified in your previous sessions. So these are the some